Hello friends, today we are going to see different losses in single phase transformer and efficiency in single phase transformer. Power losses of a transformer are classified into two groups, copper loss and core loss. Copper losses are also known as resistive power loss, I square R loss, electrical loss or variable losses. These copper losses are further subdivided into two groups. Primary copper loss, that is I square R1, which is due to the primary winding resistance R1 ohms. Here I1 is nothing but the current flowing through primary winding. And secondary copper loss, that is I2 square R2, which is due to the secondary winding resistance R2 ohms. Here I2 is nothing but the load current or secondary current flowing through secondary winding of the transformer. Total copper losses is equal to PCU is equal to I1 square R1 plus I2 square R2. Now PCU is nothing but the notation of the copper losses. The copper losses are proportional to the square of the current or load. Therefore, these losses are known as variable losses because current is variable and resistances are of fixed values, and therefore PCU is directly proportional to square of transformer current. Now total copper loss PCU, it is equal to I1 square R1 plus I2 square R2, that is addition of primary copper loss and secondary copper loss, which is equal to I1 square into R1 plus R2 dash or I2 square into R2 plus R1 dash, which is equal to I1 square into R1E or I2 square into R2E. Now what is meaning of this R2 dash, R1 dash and R1E and R2E? Now R2 dash, it is nothing but the equivalent resistance of secondary referred to primary, which is equal to R2 divided by K square. Here K is nothing but the transformation ratio of single phase transformer. Now R1 dash, it is the equivalent resistance of primary referred to secondary, which is equal to K square into R1, where again K is nothing but transformation ratio of single phase transformer. R1E, it is the equivalent resistance of transformer referred to primary, or we can say that it is the total resistance of the transformer referred to primary, R1 plus R2 dash. And R2E, it is the total resistance of the transformer referred to secondary, or it is equivalent resistance of a transformer referred to secondary. It is equal to R2 plus R1 dash. Now second type, that is core loss. It is also known as iron loss or magnetic loss or constant loss. The core loss is denoted by Pi, is further subdivided into two. One is hysteresis loss and second one is eddy current loss. Now equation for hysteresis loss is Kh into Bm raised to 1.6 into F into V watt. This hysteresis loss takes place in the magnetic core of the transformer due to cycle of magnetization of alternating flux. For a particular transformer core, this loss is constant because frequency F, flux density Bm, volume of core V and hysteresis constant Kh are constants. Second, eddy current loss. The eddy current loss equation is equal to Ke into Bm raised to 2 into F square into T square watt. This eddy current loss takes place in the core due to eddy currents induced in the core by linking the alternating flux. For a particular transformer, core loss is also constant because frequency F, flux density Bm, thickness of laminations T and eddy current constant Ke are constants. Now all these losses in the single phase transformer are converted into heat, so we must use suitable cooling system for this transformer. Now let us see efficiency of single phase transformer. Efficiency of any machine is defined as output by input. So for transformer, an efficiency of a transformer is defined as the ratio of the power output to the power input. So eta equal to output power divided by input power. Now output power is equal to input power minus losses. Therefore input power equal to output power plus total losses, and we know total losses in the transformer are nothing but the addition of core loss and the copper loss. Therefore, efficiency eta equal to output power divided by output power plus core loss plus copper loss, and therefore eta equal to V2I2 cos phi divided by V2I2 cos phi plus Pi plus PCU. Here V2I2 cos phi is nothing but the output power, V2 is the terminal voltage, I2 is the load current, and cos phi is the power factor divided by V2I2 cos phi plus Pi is nothing but total core loss in single phase transformer, and PCU is nothing but total copper loss in single phase transformer. Now if we take percentage, then percentage eta, that is percentage efficiency, equal to VA rating of the transformer multiplied by power factor cos phi divided by VA rating of the transformer multiplied by power factor cos phi plus the core loss in the single phase transformer plus copper loss in the single phase transformer multiplied by 100. Now the previous equation of transformer is the equation at full load. Now if we want to find equation of efficiency at any load other than full load, then we must calculate a fraction x, which is the fraction by which load is different than the full load and which is equal to actual load divided by full load. Then the total load current other than the full load, it is equal to I2 equal to x multiplied by I2 full load, where x is actual load by full load. As copper losses are proportional to square of the current, then the copper losses other than the full load are PCU, it is equal to x square multiplied by PCU full load. So full load copper losses. So copper losses other than full load, it is equal to factor x square into copper loss at full load, and therefore efficiency at any load other than the full load, it is equal to percentage eta equal to factor x multiplied by VA rating into power factor cos phi divided by factor x into VA rating into power factor cos phi plus core loss, that is Pi, plus x square full load copper loss multiplied by 100. Now let us find out maximum efficiency. The condition for the maximum efficiency is total copper loss equal to total core loss, that is PCU equal to Pi. Therefore maximum efficiency is percentage eta max equal to VA rating into cos phi divided by VA rating into cos phi plus twice core losses in the transformer multiplied by 100. That's all for today's session.